If you're in a wreck, should you get a police report? Absolutely. Once you're involved in a collision, you know that the other side may change their story multiple times. If you're not at fault, you need to make sure you have that police report, because the police officer will arrive, they will prepare the report, they will take a statement from the other driver and from you. The officer can note whether or not you have any injuries. The officer can determine whether or not your car may need to be towed from the scene. There are a number of things that go on a police report that you do not realize are significant and important if and when you have to pursue a civil claim against the other side for causing your injuries. So, if you're involved in a collision, no matter how much it inconveniences you, make sure you get that police report for insurance claims, for medical claims, and in case the other driver, tries to bring a claim against you.